Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. Valentine's Day is coming up, so you know I had to come through with a makeup tutorial. So without further ado, let's get into the video. You already know, eyebrows are done. Starting off by priming my eyelids with my P.Louise base. This primer is very close to my natural skin complexion, which is great because my eyes will basically be a blank canvas. If you have not tried this primer, you need to stop playing. Missing out on love over here. The eyeshadow palette of choice is Morphe 35V Stunning Vibes Artistry palette. As a transition shade, I will be using the eyeshadow called Spice. I'm placing the eyeshadow Spice on my crease and above my crease. Spice is basically a light brown eyeshadow shade, which is a perfect shade to choose to be a transition shade. The eyeshadow is nice and pigmented, so it actually showed up on my skin, which is awesome. You guys already know how I feel about Morphe eyeshadow palettes. They are awesome. But anyways, I did use 2 coats of this eyeshadow color, so I'm just blending it in on my eyes. The next eyeshadow shade I will be using is called In the Zone. I'm placing this color directly and only to my crease. This eyeshadow color is a true brown color, which is perfect for darkening your crease. You only need 1 coat of this eyeshadow shade and it is blending in very nicely. After I am done applying this eyeshadow color directly to my crease, I'm going to blend the 2 eyeshadow colors together. Next, I'm applying this black gel eyeliner to my eyelids only. I'm just carving out the shape of my eyelid because this is the area where the black needs to be mostly, and then we will blend it up into our crease. Using this precise brush to apply the gel eyeliner to my eyelids makes everything so much easier because I have control of the brush and I can actually draw in the specific area where I want the gel eyeliner to go, because we don't need to look like we have a black eye. You don't want the black gel eyeliner to get everywhere or in places where you didn't intend for it to be. So when you are done applying the black gel eyeliner to your eyelids, you want to get a clean blending brush to start blending it in. First, I blend out my eyelids just a little bit to make sure that everything was applied smoothly, and then I'm going to blend out the edges so that there aren't any harsh lines. Next, we are going to apply black eyeshadow to our eyelids. The black eyeshadow we are going to use is called Little Black Book. We are applying the black eyeshadow on top of our eyelids, which is basically the same area where we applied the gel eyeliner. Doing this will set the gel eyeliner into place and also make the black color more bold. After we are done applying the black eyeshadow, we are going to use a different clean blending brush to blend out the harsh lines. You already know what the next step is. The best part of this whole process is applying the glitter. First, add the glitter primer. I'm only applying the glitter primer to my eyelid area because that's where I want the glitter to go. Using a different precise brush to apply the primer. This glitter primer by NYX is good stuff for the low. We are not breaking the bank over here. And now it's glitter time. This glitter by J.Cat Beauty is called Bondi Black. I really like this black glitter because it's different. It actually has black and silver, so it gives you that extra flash, so you know I was sold. I started applying the glitter with my finger, and then I realized that my finger is fairly large compared to my eyelid. So we're going to use a brush to apply the rest of the glitter. The brush will actually also help me pack on more glitter, so you know, we gotta go all out. We're gonna be all flashy in the eyes, you know? Look at this glitter, guys. Absolutely stunning. You know I'm in love. This eye makeup look is about to be fire. Next step is eyelashes. I'm applying these eyelashes that I bought from the beauty supply store. These babies are extra. So get you a pair of eyelashes that are extra for this look. Now adding mascara to blend my natural eyelashes with the falsies. Everything is coming together stunningly. You know I'm loving this look. Alright, so let's move on to the rest of my face makeup. For more details on how I do my full face glam, definitely check out my highlighting and contouring tutorial. And you know I got you. The video link will be down in the description and tagged to this video. Alright guys, watch me transform and slay. Makeup is looking good. So now let's go back and apply the eyeshadow spice to my under eyelid area. Next, applying some black eyeliner to my waterline. Of course, we have to add mascara to our lower eyelashes. To help the black glitter and black eyeshadow stand out, I'm using this silver liquid eyeshadow to highlight the inner corners of my eyelids. Then we are officially done with the eye makeup. And the final step for this entire process is to add my lip color. I feel when you add your lip color, that is the cherry on top. That is what brings this entire look together. I don't know how many times I'm going to say this, but I am in love with this look. Completely in love. And we are done. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I think this look is a perfect anti-Valentine's Day look. This is a fun and easy look to recreate. Definitely let me know what you think down in the comments, or if you have any questions, let me know. Your girl is definitely feeling herself. 100% no lie. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone!